Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Token Metrics AI token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting December 4th, and we're going to go over the information on the TMAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a webpage, tokenmetrics.com. Over there you can find tons of links, like a Discord, 2 different Telegrams, Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see the web page is linked right there as well. LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube channel, Instagram. They even have a telephone number on here, contact email, where their business is. They have company info, careers, privacy policy. They have blogs and ebook podcasts, partners, you name it. They have frequently asked questions, tutorials, contact information. You could subscribe to a newsletter, and so on and so forth. Tons and tons of info on here. And this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 4th at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would go into the trade section when this token gets listed on December 4th. First, you would fund your account with USDT. Then go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol TMAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, their Twitter is at Token Metrics Inc. 135,500 Twitter followers. And then their webpage is linked right there, tokenmetrics.com. 12,500 posts and a gold verified checkmark. It says internet company and AI-driven investment research platform for crypto. So it says, discover hidden 100 times cryptocurrencies with advanced AI insights. Enhance the future of investing with cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Unleash your investment potential and navigate the crypto markets effectively. They've been featured in Bloomberg, Business Insider, CNN, Forbes, CNBC. And it says here the Token Metrics key features. Looks like they're partners with Zetachain, Aleo. It says they grades scores from 1 to 100 on a wide array of cryptos designed for traders and investors. Indices, AI selected crypto baskets with a track record of 8,000% return since inception. They have research, so weekly insights into a top 5 hidden crypto gem curated by our analysts and AI chatbot. Instant, reliable answers to your crypto questions from the Token Metrics AI chatbot. And they have testimonials about all this, actual videos you could watch of people talking about this project here. It says, explore our advanced AI solutions that have reshaped trading strategies and revolutionized crypto investment for our users. Highly rated by Trustpilot and delighted And yeah, so in a nutshell, oh, they even have a little chat box. If you have any questions at the top of their webpage, it says start our free trial today. You can get involved with that there. Tons of stuff on this page here. It's kind of screwing up here. I don't know what's going on with this page. Let me just close this page here. But yeah, so if you want to join the socials, they have a 2 different telegrams. They have an announcement telegram channel, and then they have the normal telegram channel, or the chat, I should say. So you could also it says their TMAI token sale is now live. We're excited to announce, maybe they had a pre-sale here, but this is in their pinned tweet here. We're excited to announce the public sale is live on AstraDAO _org launchpad. So maybe you can get involved with that. Let me see when that ends, actually. So they have the soft cap on there, which is $100,000. Their goal is $1 million. Initial market cap is $8.2 million. So this is a huge project. So you can try to get involved with this before the gate listing if you want to. It's in their pinned tweet. It takes you to AstraDAO.org launchpad. So you can check that out there. That's interesting. And that may be over, but it's worth a shot if you're trying to get the token early before it gets listed on Gate. But again, that's up to you, of course. But here on their webpage, there is a sign up and sign in button as well. If you want to actually create an account on their page here. But what is Token Metrics? So it's a cryptocurrency investment research firm that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning, and our data scientists, quant traders, and crypto native research analysts provide timely insights to more than 6,000 cryptos and NFT projects. So in a nutshell, that's what it is. Now, how does Token Metrics use AI to accurately predict and rank various cryptocurrencies? Well, our AI and machine learning algorithms identify potential trends and predict future price movements by considering factors such as fundamental reports, code quality, sentiment analysis, moving averages, and support resistance levels, among many others. What resources does Token Metrics offer to assist in both novice and experienced investors to make informed decisions? Well, there's tutorials, videos, webinars, and detailed investment reports. These resources cover topics such as blockchain technology, cryptocurrency basics, investment strategies, risk management, hidden gems, and market analysis. So you can learn more tokenmetrics.com, and you can find this token. You could try to get involved with the initial DEX offering in the pinned tweet there. That could be over though, but this token will be listed for I'm assuming it's their TG, their token generation event. There could be other big central exchanges that'll pop up tomorrow because this is still 2 days away. A lot of the times tokens will or central exchanges will post 1 day before the listing, so this one's kind of early, but it's definitely being listed on Gate. And if Gate is not available in your country or you can't get involved with the IDO, stay tuned, follow the socials, and I'm sure they're going to post more listings as the time gets closer. So stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.